So you write the name and then it's uploading.
Yeah. And then you have to hit upload in the corner. So what you doing?
Wait, does it upload on YouTube?
Yes.
Just YouTube?
Yeah. Okay, I'm videotaping.
I don't even need an account to do a video. What am I doing?
I'm recording the dog.
My dog Avery, she is like 6 months old.
And crazy.
She's pretty big.
Already? Oh my God, Avery! I found a squirrel!
Her name's Avery. She likes birds, eating bugs, and chasing
rocks.
foods.
She likes rocks and those things that fall from the tree.
Yes, and she is sort of potty trained now, but if
Kinda.
you want to adopt her, you can.
What?
But
I would love to adopt her, Kate. Ah, don't eat my toes. What are you trying to do?
to adopt her, she still belongs to us. You can just visit her.
Come 3.
She likes to dig holes at my cabin. One time she dig a hole so big she got her face stuck in it.
Oh my God, Avery.
And then she put her body into it and then her body was stuck in it.
Oh my God. What is up with your dog?
And then she pooped
not my toes.
far away from us.
Don't you dare
So
go.
she'll go really far away from us where nobody walks and then she'll poop there. That's why my dad's so happy about her. So she won't poop right by us. And you can pick her up very easily just like this and then...
Well, Pussy, you got the pups.
Or you can
Did you see that? She
Or you can just go like this. Whoosh. And then she's good.
Hey, the puppy, can you come through here?
Want to say goodbye? Okay, bye.
Bye, Kayla.
I'll be right back. Hold on, it's
That was awkward. Oh God, my glasses are falling off. Yeah, I just decided to do a video. And they're back. What happened?
She was trying so fast she stumbled. She's like,
Stumbling dog.
101.
Okay,
How to train your dog.
I'm gonna end the video here, Kayla. Is that okay? Yes, it's okay. Okay, thank you. Like, comment, subscribe. Goodbye, people.